In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an EA or expert advisor to MT4. So this is actually super simple. First, you want to open MT4, you want to go to the top left over here, and you want to click on File. Then you want to go and click on Open Data Folder, and then it's going to open your data folder, which is going to look like this. And then from here, you want to click on MQL4, and in here, click on Experts. Now what you have to do is basically just drag and drop your EA or, of course, your expert advisor in here. So just drop it in here. I'm assuming you have one already. It could be an EX4 file or MQ4 file, so either this one or this one, and then you can escape this and exit this. You'd have to restart MT4, so close it and reopen it again. And then you want to go and enable this navigator, so go to View and Navigator, and now inside Expert Advisors, you should be able to find the one you were looking for. So for me, I have a few over here. As you can see, you can then just drag and drop them on your chart, click on OK, and they're basically gonna get on there, and that's going to do the trick. Okay, so that's how to add an EA to MetaTrader 4. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.